Hi students, good morning. Welcome to online class of New Vivekanand Convent Higher Secondary School. And today I will discuss an important topic of English grammar, that is degree of comparison. What is degree of comparison? Look here. Look here. Most adjectives have three different forms to show degree of comparison: the positive, comparative and superlative. Again, most adjectives have three different forms to show degree of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. So dear students, what are the rules of comparison? Look here. Yes, rules of comparison. Rules of comparison. Positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, or we can change superlative to comparative and comparative to positive. So, rules number 1. Yes, rules number 1. Most adjective of one syllable by adding er and est to change into comparative and superlative. Look here. Positive, comparative, superlative. Clear. Clear, an adjective of one syllable, clear. And if I change it into positive to comparative, we add ear. We add ear. Clearer. Yes, clear, clearer. And in superlative, clearest. Yes, long, longer, longest. Yes, rich, richer, richest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Cold, colder, coldest. So look here, clear in positive and If I change it into comparative, we add only year. Clear plus year, clearer, and in superlative add est, clearest. In the same way, long, longer, longest, rich, richer, richest, strong, stronger, strongest, cold, colder, coldest. So, I think you all have understood how to change one syllable adjective from positive to comparative and comparative to superlative. And look here, rules number 2. Rules number 2. Adjective ends in E takes only R and ST to change into comparative and superlative. Look here, adjectives ends in E takes only R and ST to change into comparative and superlative. Look here, some adjectives are there, ends in E, just like large. Large at the end, there is the use of E. So, if we change it into positive to comparative, only add R. Clear? Sorry, large, larger. And only est, not est, only st to change into superlative. Largest, large, larger, only add R and only add st to change into comparative and superlative. Large, larger, largest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Another example, true, truer, truest. Yes, fine, finer, finest. Yes, large, larger, largest, wise, wiser, wisest, true, truer, truest, fine, finer, finest. So dear students, I have already discussed two rules how to change positive to comparative and comparative to superlative, and now I am going to discuss rules number 3. Adjectives ends in Y preceded by consonant, then Y changes into I before adding ER and EST. Yes, adjective ends in y preceded by consonant, then y changes into I before adding er and est to change into comparative and superlative, like busy. Yes, end in y and just before the y there is the use of consonant. S is consonant, then y changes into I, then add er to change into comparative and est change into superlative. Busy, busier, busiest. Yes, busy, easy, easier, easiest. Yes, happy, happier, happiest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Yes, so busy, busier, busiest, y changes into I, then add er to change into comparative and est to change into superlative. So adjective ends in y preceded by consonant, then y changes into I before adding er and est. Now rules number 4. Positive ends in consonant preceded by vowel. Preceded by vowel, the consonant becomes double before adding er and est. Positive ends in consonant preceded by vowel, the consonant becomes double before adding er and est to change into comparative and superlative. Positive, comparative, superlative. Yes, like big, 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 g is consonant but I is vowel preceded by the just consonant. Just before consonant there is the use of vowel. So in this case, if we change them into comparative and superlative, then consonant becomes double, big, bigger, double G, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Yes, fat, fatter, fattest. hot, hotter, hottest. So dear students, if positive ends in consonant but preceded by vowel, then the consonant becomes double before adding er and est. Big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. So I have already discussed rules number 1, rules number 2, rules number 3 and rules number 4. Now look rules number 5. Positive. Comparative and superlative are different to each other. Yes, look here. Positive, comparative and superlative are different to each other. A lots of adjectives are there. Their forms are different to each other in positive, comparative and superlative. Positive, comparative, superlative. Good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, much, more, most, little, less, least. So a lot of adjectives are there. Their forms are different from positive, comparative and superlative. Good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, much, more, most, little, less, least. So rules number 6, looks here. Adjectives of yes, adjectives of 2 syllable or more than 2 syllables takes more and most in comparative and superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Useful, more useful, most useful. Brilliant, more brilliant, most brilliant. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent, careful, more careful, most careful. So dear students, look here, adjectives of two syllables or more than two syllables takes more and most in comparative and superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Useful, more useful, most useful. Brilliant, more brilliant, most brilliant. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Careful, more careful, most careful. So dear students, I have already discussed how to change the adjectives from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative or vice versa. So now I am going to discuss some more examples how to change positive to comparative and comparative to superlative. Look here. Try to understand through examples the change of positive, comparative and superlative. It has three types. Now I am going to discuss one by one. At first, type number 1. Type 1. When the comparison is made between two. Look here, how to change the sentences comparative to superlative, superlative to positive or anything. When the comparison is made between the two, when the comparison is made between the two, there is only positive and comparative, no superlative will be there. In positive, what are the rules? Positive, as, comparative, then there is no superlative. Look here, an example, Paris. Paris is more beautiful than London. So here Paris and London, two cities are compared here. So the comparison is made between the two. Then how to change? In there is Paris is more beautiful than London. The sentence is written in comparative, in comparative degree. So change it into comparative to positive. Positive, London is not as beautiful as Paris. London is not as beautiful as Paris. So there is no superlative. So example number 2. I am not as strong as you. I am not as strong as you. A comparison is made between two, between I and you. So as. So the sentence is written in positive. Change into comparative. Change into comparative. You are stronger. You are stronger than me. So I have already discussed how to change positive to comparative when the comparison is made between the two. Now, type 2, try to understand the rules of comparison. Type 2, when the comparison is made among all, among all. What are the rules of positive, comparative and superlative? Yes, in positive, no other. Start with no other, then as. In comparative, then any other, and in superlative, the plus superlative form. Yes, look here. When the comparison is made among all, how to start to write positive? Start with no other as, and in comparative, then any other, and in superlative, the plus superlative form of the adjective. Look here, I am giving an example. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. So, the comparison is made among all, highest. So, the sentence is written in superlative degree, highest. Written in superlative, change it into positive and comparative. In positive, how to start? No other. No other peak is as high as Mount Everest. In the world. So look here, when we change it into positive, start with no other. No other peak is as high as Mount Everest in the world. Now, in comparative, Mount Everest is higher than any other peak. Look here, than any other. Then any other peak in the world. So, I have already changed a sentence which is written in superlative, change into positive and comparative. No other peak is as high as Mount Everest in the world. Mount Everest is the highest, Mount Everest is higher than any other peak in the world. Now, giving more example. I am giving you another example. Kalidas is the greatest Sanskrit poet. In which degree the sentence is written? The plus superlative form, means superlative degree. Change into positive. No other. No other Sanskrit poet is as great as Kalidas. Yes, start with no other in positive. No other Sanskrit poet is as great as Kalidas. Next, superlative, positive and comparative. Kalidas is greater than any other Sanskrit poet. Yes, any other, use of any other, than any other in comparative. So, I have already discussed how to change a sentence from positive to comparative and comparative to superlative when the comparison is made among all. And now I am going to discuss type 3. Type 3, when the comparison is made among very few. Yes, look here. Type 3, when the comparison is made among very few. What are the rules of positive, comparative and superlative? In positive, start with very few, as. In comparative, then most other. Then most other or many other. Yes, and in superlative, one of the. So, in positives, always start with very few. When the comparison is made among very few, in positive, always start with very few as, and in comparative, then most other or many other, or in superlative, one of the. Look here, an example. Japan is richer than most other countries in the world. Japan is richer than most other countries in the world. There is the use of than most other. Then most other. So, the sentence is written in comparative. So, change it into positive and superlative at first. Positive. Positive start with very few. Very few countries are as rich as Japan in the world. Yes, there is the use of as in the positive and start with very few. In superlative, one of the. Japan is one of the richest countries in the world. Look here, in superlative, there is the use of one of the. Japan is one of the plus superlative form of the adjective. Rich, richer, richest, one of the richest countries in the world. So, I think you all have understood, but again I am giving you a more example. Look here. Mumbai. is one of the largest city in India. Look here, there is the use of one of the. It means the comparison is made among very few, and there is the use of one of the, so the sentence is written in one of the means superlative, written in superlative. Then change it into positive and comparative. In positive, I have already discussed how to start. Start with very few. Very largest cities, sorry, not city, cities, largest cities. Mumbai is one of the largest cities in India. Very few cities are as large, very few cities are as large as Mumbai in India. Yes, start with very few. Very few cities are, not is, cities plural, so there is the use of are. Very few cities are as large as Mumbai in India. And in comparative, Mumbai is larger, largest. In comparative, larger. Mumbai is larger than most other. Than most other cities in India. Yes, in comparative, Mumbai is larger than most other cities in India. Why we use most other? Because the comparison is made among very few cities. So Mumbai is larger than most other cities in India, and in place of most other you can use many other. So if you use many other, then Mumbai is larger than many other cities in India. So dear students, I have already discussed what is degree of comparison, what are the rules of comparison, how to change comparative to positive to comparative and comparative to superlative, and how to change the sentences from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, and superlative to positive, anything. So it has 3 types, and all the types I have already discussed. I think you all have understood well. So dear students, thanks, have a nice day.